going on, Lake Pro Tackle fam? Sam and Tim here. We are having a wonderful day today. We got some amazing news. Now, as people that get to go behind the scenes, go to ICAST, see all the new product, talk to reps, people that directly work for the companies, we're able to see behind the scenes. Can't always tell you what's coming out, and you know, we're really not supposed to tell you what's coming out, but today, if you're watching this video, we're gonna give you some juice. You know, Tim, you've got some good examples of some stuff that we're not supposed to tell them. I mean,
right, we got like the new today talked about a new heavy duty, like big hook, fish deep, like heavier weights and stuff, bigger, and it's coming out. It's gonna have
oh, dang, that's sweet.
Yes.
See, y'all, I mean, y'all aren't even supposed to know that.
Yeah.
Right. And you know, I've been talking with, they've got a really coming out. It's called the, it's got a bunch of really cool accessories. It's really built for, but today's video,
the big thing is,
the 5-inch MEGABASS Magdraft is coming out, y'all. It's going to be the same harness system that you love about the 6-inch and the 8-inch. Now, the crazy thing is, it's coming in 19 different colors.
That's like all of them, all the JDM colors.
That is insane. They are bringing, I'm not sure exactly how long a lot of these colors are going to be available, because they are, the way MEGABASS orders is MEGABASS USA orders from MEGABASS Japan, and when they import it, sometimes kind of like the sleeper craws, we're not able to buy Scuppernong anymore and give it to y'all, right? So all of our Scuppernong has blown out of here. No one is able to get Scuppernong because it is a JDM color, right?
One person.
So I'm not sure how many of these 19 colors are going to be available, so make sure you're ordering them before they run out, especially some of the very highly sought after ones. Aurora Shad is on there. It was one of the classic colors.
Go Solid is
Go Solid Shad.
MB Gizzard.
Of course, your typical ones.
Albino.
You got Gilco. That's a different one.
I don't think I've ever seen a Gilco.
I don't think I've seen a Gilco Magdraft, but it's one of my favorites in like a Z2 or a lot of the
it's a good size
just regular lineup, right?
Good size, yep.
Some other ones that are making a reappearance are the Ablette color, kind of very glittery, a little green on it. Baby Bass, that's a very popular color. Of course, we've got the Albino Pearl Shad, Borealis Shad, Brownie.
Oh, Brownie looks like a gizzard.
Yep. Sharkback Celeste is a really neat looking one.
Celeste. Probably something pink, I would think.
I think, no, they have Pink Shiner.
Pink, there you go.
Yep, very bright, obnoxious color, of course. Along with, you know, Silver Shad, Stealth Rainbow, Whiteback Shad, Pro Blue, Clear Shark. You know, there's so many different colors. Of course, we're going to be posting all about this leading up to the release of them. So make sure you're heading over to the website for the drop. We're going to be letting you know exactly when they get on the website. So guys, again, if you want to find out more about the not talked about information quite yet, you want the behind the scenes, head over to lakeprotackle.com. Check us out, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube here, of course. Subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you next time at Lake Pro Tackle.
Bye.